There you go.
Yeah.
Got an air pump and a cup full of paper to replicate sawdust. I'm going to try and shoot it across the room for a test. Don't think it's going to go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that sucked. Right, let's go again. Oh, going for the Mark II version.
Mark II.
I think sawdust will be lighter than this, so. Alright. I don't want to do it over the box, but it's not. Okay, 3, 2, 1. No. Okay. I think I need a smaller cup. This one's definitely better, I think.
Probably.
I just need to make sure it's over the hole. It wasn't all over the hole. There we go. Ah, that went quite high.
It nearly got me.
So it's just all. I think I'm going to try a smaller cup so it's more over the hole. Yeah. Okay, made a little tube for the top and filled it with the little pieces of what will be sawdust. Hopefully this will concentrate it more. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I think it'll work better.
Yeah.
Okay, another try. 3, 2, 1. Hopefully it'll fly further with sawdust as well.
It probably won't. I don't think that one went as far.
Now I've just stuck it in the tube. 2, 1. I think that might be the way. If I put it in further, I don't know. 3, 2, 1. It went right past you.
So it did.
Okay. Okay, crammed it in again, but I'm going to go sideways this time so you can hopefully see how far it's going. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that hit the wall over there.